Hello and welcome to another car style video. Today I will be showing you how to remove and replace a faulty PCV valve on a Honda Accord 2004. Now, some signs of a faulty PCV valve are worsening oil leaks in the car, an engine that idles rough, bad fuel economy, buildup of sludge in the engine, and also increased oil consumption. In this case, our car was having increased oil consumption and it was idling very rough. How do we test a faulty PCV valve? You can disconnect the hoses and inspect the rubber of the hoses, remove the valve and check if it is blocked, or shake the valve. If it does not rattle, then it is faulty. If it rattles, then it's good. The cost of a brand new genuine PCV valve is about $55 AUD, straight from a Honda dealership. The difficulty of this job is for beginners. Anyone can do it and there's no tools really required. Now we'll move on to our actual video demonstration. So you can remove the clip that holds the hose onto the PC valve by hand. It's very easy. Gently yank that one out and then that's your PCV valve. At this point in time, you can do all your tests on your PCV valve, like shaking it, see if it rattles, and see if it's blocked in there or if there's sludge build up in there, as you can see on this one. This is our new PCV valve that we purchased direct from Honda. The price was about $55 AUD. And then we can connect our PCV valve to our hose and put the clip back on. But it's all done by hand, there's no tools required. Once you put your clip back on, try putting it on that part that you can see, and then push the PCV valve back in like so, and that's it. That's how you can put your replace your PCV valve. And at the part where I said, that's where you can actually first check your PCV valve before you order a new one to make sure it is the same. We highly recommend that you first check your own car's PCV valve. As you can see, it's very easy to remove. Once removed, you can give it a shake, and if it rattles, most likely it's a good PCV valve. Look at your car's symptoms. Is there increased oil consumption? Is the engine idling rough? All these are indicative of a faulty PCV valve. If it is the PCV valve, then it's very easy to change. As you can see, there's no tools required and it's not too costly. You can purchase it from Honda dealership and it came to about $55. All the information we provide is in regards to this job and to this car as well. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'd like to see you in our upcoming videos.